is looking absolutely magnificent at the moment. I've got rice on for Coco's food here. Just made some butter in the mix of making some muffins. Made some bases for the pizzas as well, and also going to cook some bickies, what the kids have made for lunch.
I made this by myself.
Look at that big platter. Beautiful, Lexi. Looking lovely. And a yummy mango smoothie. And this is Vince's plate.
Oh, look at that.
Looking super nutritious. Here lies the most unfortunate part of cooking. I'm absolutely boiling and sweating sacks after that entire mission. So, I'm gonna go in the ice bath. It's on 6.3. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's so cold when you're really hot. Oh, that's awful. The ice bath usually turns on overnight so that when we get up in the morning it's down to about 2 to 3 degrees. But on this particular day, I don't know why, it hadn't gone off, and so we just turned it on during the day, and that's why it's only sitting at 6 degrees. But we usually do one as soon as we get up in the morning, and we do it for 3 minutes. If it happens to be that it's higher than 2 or 3 degrees, then we'll do, say, like if it's at 4 degrees, we'll do 4 minutes. If it's 5 degrees, we'll do it for 5 minutes. And we generally do it naked as well, but you know, for the sake of you guys, we've got our swimmers on. I just want to note as well, the reason why I'm blurring out the actual name of the ice bath is because, not because the ice bath itself is, I wouldn't recommend it, but the company that we used were terrible. And rather than being petty and stuff and, you know, throwing their name through the mud and things like that, I'm just going to blur it out and just not recommend them to anyone, because yeah, they were awful. Like the most terriblest customer service I've ever had in my life, like just full of lies and false promises and things like that. So that's why I'm blurring it out and not readily recommending their brand. Oh my god, there is no denying how good you feel after an ice bath. I was feeling like in a slump just then, like having full on 3:30 itis type thing, even though it's like 2 o'clock. What is the time? Oh yeah, 2:30. But jump in the ice bath, refreshes you, tingles you, and now I'm feeling really motivated and I want to do a little Pilates class. But I need to kind of clean up this lounge room because Coco's had a bit of a field day in here and kind of left shit all over the floor. So I'm just going to tidy this up first. That turned into a bigger mission than I was expecting. I was just like going to vacuum this room and that'd be it. And then I kind of went out into the entranceway and I was like, oh, better go out here too. And then I kind of went down further. I ended up just doing the entire bottom floor. Never mind. Okay, I'm back in here. Let's do some Pilates yoga. What are we feeling? I think we're trying, I think we might go for some nice relaxing yoga. Let's do that. I'll draw the curtains, shall I?
There's some heavy weight on your shoulders. The sparkle walk right out of your eyes. Some seasons of life might get colder. But I miss summer days and we laugh till we cry. Wear those freckles, your badge of honor. Go barefoot, you know you wanna. Darling, take a load off. You don't gotta show off. You can let your hair down, set it free. Give yourself a chance to breathe. Take a load off. You've been going non-stop. Ain't nobody else you need to be. Let's go wild, you and me. Cancel all the plans in your schedule. There's nowhere that you need to be. Sometimes letting loose is essential. Windows down, music up, let the wind kiss your cheek. Leave the tangles for tomorrow.
Such a lovely practice.
Let it go, you know you want.
I haven't done any yoga for such a long time, but I've been really meaning to do it. I'm such a shocker for that. I just procrastinate and, you know, go, oh, I've got no time, I've got no time. But then when I actually do take the time to do it, it feels so nice. So now I'm just going to do like a meditation because I'm actually feeling really like relaxed and lovely. I will, I will link the video that I actually did just now in the description box below. So if you'd like to have a go of it, you can just press that and go and enjoy the lovely relaxation just as I have. So I'm just going to do a guided meditation now, more like a savasana. I always love that at the end of yoga sessions. It's like my favorite bit.
Bring yourself down onto your back, making sure that you feel completely comfortable.
You're at the beach in a jumper, you nutbag. Love living on the Sunshine Coast when it's 5 p.m. and there's still so many people at the beach and the water is so warm. There's Lacey! Check out the pizzas that I've made. We like to eat vegetarian ones, so we've got the margarita, we've got supreme, Kenny's favourite garlic pizza, and then this one is a barbecue chicken inspired. It's got barbecue sauce, corn, spring onions. Delicious. That's it. We're doing baby. Dinner's ready, y'all. Will you marry me?
It's like really lovely that he did that, and he's too much for you.
Look at this beautiful girl. Coco baby. Coco, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Some of them are like, yeah, I think we're good. Oh, what's three things about that we're good? And then it's like, yeah, and then they get up.
You shut down.
Why are you biting me?
Why should
It's so nasty.
look when she gets down, she's like dead.
Can't see anything.
Go up.
Because the power's gone out right in the middle of maths.
Darling, take a load off. You don't gotta show off. You can let your hair down, set it free. Give yourself a chance to breathe.